In this pot over here, I'm boiling my water for my noodles, okay? In this pot right here, I'm gonna show you all how I do my sauce, okay? I have my stove on medium, and I've already added a half a stick of butter in there, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna add a mixture of 2 tablespoons of flour and water into the butter, okay? I'm just gonna stir that. Okay. This mac and cheese is gonna be delicious. I mean, it's my mom's recipe, and it is it is something else. You'll see. It's delicious. It is delicious. Okay, now I got my butter and flour, the consistency that I wanted. Now I'm gonna add, before the pot gets too hot, I'm gonna add 2 cups of milk, whole milk, okay? You can't add buttermilk, okay? Let me get a rag so I can clean that up. Okay. Stir it slowly. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some heavy cream, okay? Thought I had already used this, but this must be a new container over there. I'm gonna add a half a cup of heavy cream to it, okay? I'm gonna increase the heat a little so I can bring it to a boil, okay? Please hit that like button, YouTube family, please. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna use my whisk a little bit so it can incorporate everything together a little better than that spatula. Okay, once it comes to a boil, it should thicken, okay? Stick with me. Okay, YouTube fam, now I'm gonna add some shredded cheese to it, okay? That's about a half a cup of shredded cheese, okay? I'm gonna whisk that in. It's thickening up a little right now. That's what I'm looking for. You don't want to cook it too fast, but you do want it to thicken, okay? Now I'm gonna add some cream cheese. This is about 1/4 of some cream cheese, okay? You can melt it if you like, but I just like to you know, use my fingers and tear them apart, okay? It's gonna be okay. My hands are clean. And just stir it. Okay, it's coming together really, really well. Okay. Now YouTube fam. Just gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of pepper. And we're gonna turn down the heat way down, okay? Because it's complete now, okay? Just waiting on the noodles. Well, the water, I'm waiting on the water for the noodles to boil like I want it, and then I'm gonna add the noodles. I'm gonna cook them according to the directions of the box, probably about 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and then, hold on 1 second, let me clean the stove. Then I'll bring you back and show you how I complete it, okay? Keep watching. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna go ahead and add this 16-ounce box of elbow macaroni to the boiling water. I'm gonna bring you over here, okay? I'm gonna stir it with a clean wooden spoon. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna add just a tad, maybe a teaspoonful of olive oil in there, okay? And that's just gonna keep it from sticking. And like I say, I'm gonna cook it according to the directions on the box, which is probably around 10 to 12 minutes, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, the noodles have been cooking 12 minutes. I'm gonna turn my stove off. I'm gonna drain the water. And I'm also gonna rinse it, okay? Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, the noodles are draining. Okay, gonna go ahead and prepare my mac and cheese, okay? Pour my noodles in this pan. That's what I usually cook it in. Okay. Throw it around. Okay. To that, I'm gonna add some cubed cheese, okay? I cube some of the cubes also, okay? And it'll melt down in there during the baking process, okay? It's gonna be delicious. This is my mom's recipe. It's homemade and it is delicious, okay? Now I'm going to add the sauce, okay? And it is the right consistency that I wanted. Okay? What I usually do is just add half, give it a little stir. Can you see? Let me put it on, okay? Give it a little stir. It looks so good. Okay. Add the rest of it, okay? so good. See that there? And add some shredded cheese to it also. This is not the topping. I'm gonna add more cheese to the topping, okay? You don't really want to stir, you just kind of want to put it in there a little. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the oven. Move the camera back a little. First off though, I do want to add one more thing that I really like. My mom didn't come up with this. Hold on 1 second, the phone is ringing. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna add one more thing. About 2 teaspoons of sour cream. I'm gonna stir that in there a little, you know. And just mash it in there. It'll all incorporate once it starts baking. Okay? And I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna let it bake for 45 minutes, okay? Let me bring you a little closer. Now I'm gonna add some more cheese to it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna add that, and now I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes, and then it'll be ready, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, we have about 5 more minutes on the mac and cheese. What I like to do now is I like to add Ritz crackers to the top of it, okay? Just gives them a great, great taste. Just don't know the flavor that they give macaroni and cheese, okay? We'll put it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes and it'll be ready. Okay. On top of the stove. Okay. Let's get a little closer. Let's turn it this way. Let's turn it this way, okay? You see it a little better? Okay, there you go. Okay, YouTube fam, doesn't that look delicious? That's my mom's homemade macaroni and cheese.